Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows operating system look like Windows 7 again. So we're going to be using something called OpenShell. It used to be called Classic Shell, but it got discontinued and now it's being continued by the community and it's open source. So that's why it's called OpenShell. So just search up OpenShell and then go to GitHub here on OpenShell. Now on OpenShell, you want to scroll down and you want to find the download section here. Just click on that to download. And then on the download section here, just click on this one, OpenShell Setup 4.1195 EXE. Just click on that and then it'll download. And then let's just install it. Click on Run, click on Next, accept the terms and agreements, and then just click on Next again. Click on Install, and then let's wait for it to install. Now that it's done, let's just click on Finish. And now we have Classic Shell installed on our PC, right? Now that we have OpenShell installed, we just have to go to the search bar here and then search up OpenShell and then go to OpenShell menu settings. Now on OpenShell's menu setting, you can see we can pick a theme here. This is just the default one. I'm just going to let it be default. I'm just going to click on OK. And then you can see if I click on my home page here, you can see right now my home page or my start menu here looks like the original Windows 7 start menu, right? So that is how you change your Windows operating system back into something more akin to Windows 7. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.